Hi guys, Kristen here, and I'd like to show you this new project that I did. I started this out a week ago. I saw someone in one of the Facebook groups that I've joined. He shared his creations made out of popsicle sticks, and I got really interested in the hobby. And really, when the new year started, my New Year's resolution was to start a new hobby, but I didn't know what that hobby was. And when I saw that post, I realized, oh, this is the new hobby that I want to start. So yeah, I started with this. Thought to myself, what project should I start? What item do I want to create using popsicle sticks? And I realized I want to create a mini version of my scooter. It's a Xiaomi M365 scooter. So I started with measuring the parts, and this is what I did. I drew it. Sorry. So yeah, I first measured the parts. As you can see, it's hard to understand. Yeah, I found it hard to understand too. But yeah, this is basically what I did to start the hobby, to start the project. I just measured it one by one, even the wheels, everything. Then I used these popsicle sticks. These are the size. You can use a bigger one. There are popsicle sticks that are bigger than this, and the scale that I used is the scale in this simple ruler, the ruler that you can find anywhere. I think this is 1:100. I think that's the scale of a simple ruler. So yeah, that's how I did it. So let's say if I want to create a 57, the deck is 57 actually. This is 57 centimeters. So what I did is I measured it using this, and as you can see, it is 57 centimeters. Yeah. So I like how this turned out. Yeah, it's missing quite a lot actually. I still need to attach wires on the brakes, the wirings, and the disc brake right here. It's missing that, and yeah, wires. There's a lot of things that I need to add, but I'm quite really satisfied with how this turned out. This is my first time doing something out of popsicle sticks, and I'm really happy with the outcome. And yeah, if you're interested, let me know. If you're interested in learning this, we will learn together. I will upload videos someday of me doing projects like this, as I really enjoyed it. I just tried it. I just tried creating one and see for myself if I'm gonna enjoy it, and I really did. So yeah, I hope you try the hobby too if you are exploring and you want to start a new hobby yourself. This is the hobby that is quite cheap. Popsicle sticks don't cost too much. The only expensive thing that I bought is this thing right here. This is an electric grinder. There's a lot that you can do using this. You can sand. This is a sandpaper that is rolled. Sand the things that you want to sand, and yeah, I use this to chop the wood, because sometimes I glue a lot of popsicle sticks together and it's quite hard to cut them. I use this. I created this using a tin can from a canned food. As you can see, it's still printed in the back, and I created a circle and just cut the edges, and it cuts wood really nicely. It does the job, because I don't have any money yet to buy plates that will actually cut wood. But yeah, if you want to start the hobby, you can start now. It's really easy if you have the patience, if you have the will to do it. You can do it. As you can see, it's still not perfect. It's not perfectly circle. The way that I did it is I sanded it. Sandpaper does a great job. And I used a cutter to cut, mostly to sculpt the wood in whatever shape that I wanted to turn out, and then I sand it. Cutter and sandpaper does the job. So yeah, let me know what you think about this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked my new creation. Just really wanted to share it because I'm really proud of myself for what I did. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next videos.